Hello friends, this is Sunita and today I have brought the video on The Tempest play of William Shakespeare. So friends, I am going to explain you the summary of this play. So first of all, before starting it, I would like to tell you about the main characters of The Tempest. That is, the main character of Tempest is Prospero and his daughter Miranda. So Prospero is the Duke of Milan and Miranda is his daughter. So friends, story begins from there. Prospero, as he was Duke of Milan, he was very much interested in magic. So as he wanted to learn magic, that is why he has given the responsibility of his dukedom to his friend, to his brother Antonio. Antonio is Prospero's brother. And but Antonio was very cunning in nature, and when he got the dukedom, the responsibility of dukedom from Prospero, then Antonio, along with Olenzo was the king of Naples, and Sebastian, that is, who was the brother of Olenzo. So all these three people, they together planned the palace conspiracy against Prospero. So what they have done, actually, with help of Gonzalo, he was a good person, but actually he was following, he has to follow the commands which were given by Antonio. So along with Gonzalo, what they have done, that they have overthrown Prospero and Miranda from the dukedom. And what they have done, they have arranged for a boat, and then they have overthrown Prospero and Miranda. They have made them sit in that boat, and then they have sent them away on a small island without keeping any food or anything like that. But Gonzalo, as he was a very good person, so he has kept some food for Prospero and Miranda so that they can live until they reach to a safe place. So Prospero and Miranda, this was the story before 12 years. So Prospero and Miranda, when they were overthrown from the dukedom, then they came to an island, which the island that was controlled by a witch called Sycorax. And this Sycorax, he has got a son. His name was Caliban, and there were many spirits in those islands. So what Sycorax is basically, she was a witch. So she has controlled all the spirits in that island. And among those spirits, the chief was Ariel. So when Prospero came on that island, so Prospero knew magic, so that is why he freed all the spirits from Sycorax. And then all these spirits, they came under the control of Prospero, and willingly they started working for Prospero. And Caliban was Sycorax's son. So he also, he was a half monster, he was a very cunning person. He was a half monster, and he also has to work for Prospero. So one day Prospero was standing near the sea. He saw a ship coming. So then he created the force, because he knew magic, so that is why he created a storm in the sea. That is the tempest. The meaning of the chapter is only, the tempest means Andhi, that is storm. So he was standing near the sea, and what he saw, that one ship was sailing, and in that ship Olenzo, Antonio and Sebastian were there. And Ferdinand was Olenzo's son. So in that ship, Olenzo, Antonio, Sebastian and Ferdinand were there. They were with Gonzalo also. So all these people, they were coming from, because Olenzo's daughter has got married. So these people were coming from her marriage. They were returning back. So when Prospero saw a ship on the sea, then he created an artificial storm. And then he called Ariel. As Ariel was a spirit, so he can do, Prospero can only see Ariel, nobody else can see Ariel. So Prospero ordered Ariel that all these people should be safely brought to the island, but they should be splitted. And he wanted Ferdinand to come before Miranda. So before this, I have to tell you one thing, that Prospero and Miranda were the only humans in that island, and Miranda has not seen any person in her life except her father. So Prospero had he has just planned for something. He wanted Ferdinand to come in front of Miranda, so Ferdinand and Miranda should fall in love. So this is when Miranda came to the island, she was 3 years, but now the story is after 12 years. So now Miranda is a young girl and she is 15 years. So Prospero wanted Ferdinand to, because he wanted to take revenge from Alonso Antonio. So that is why he wanted that Ferdinand should fall in love with Miranda and he can get back his dukedom. So all these people, so Ariel with his magic power, he has split it, but he brought everybody safely on that island, and then he has splitted them. One person is lying here, one person is lying on the other part of the island. And what he had done with Ferdinand, he brought Ferdinand in front of Miranda. So when Miranda and Ferdinand, they saw each other, they fall in love. Alonso thought her son is no more, Ferdinand is no more, so he was mourning for his son, because he thought that he has married his daughter at a distant place and now the son is also no more, so he was mourning all the time. Antonio over here, he planned a conspiracy with Sebastian. He told Sebastian that he can become the king of Naples if he can kill Alonso. So when Alonso was asleep, Sebastian and Antonio wanted to kill him. But at the same time, Ariel, he woke up Alonso, and Alonso, when he woke up, he came to know that Antonio and Sebastian wanted to kill him. Prospero then ordered Ariel that these people should come in front of them. So Ariel brought Alonso, Antonio, Sebastian in front of Prospero. When Antonio saw his brother, he felt very sorry, and then he decided to return the dukedom to Prospero. Then Prospero, it's a happy ending. Prospero told Alonso that his son is alive, and then he drew the curtain and he showed Ferdinand, who was with Miranda at that time. When Alonso came to know that Ferdinand was alive, he was very happy. So there was a happy ending. Then when Prospero got his dukedom back, so he decided to return back to Milan. At the same time, Ariel make Prospero remember that he has promised him that when he is going to, he will be going back to his place, then he will free Ariel from his services. So Prospero remembered that what he has promised Ariel, and then he decided to free Ariel from his services. At the same time, over here, Caliban was again, he was also making some conspiracy against Prospero with Stefano and Trinculo. So there were 3 conspiracy running in this play. One which was made against Prospero by Alonso, Antonio, Sebastian. They had made the conspiracy against Prospero. One conspiracy was made by Antonio and Sebastian against Alonso, and one conspiracy was made by Caliban with Stefano and Trinculo against Prospero. Because what was this conspiracy? Caliban told Stefano that if he would kill Prospero, then he would become the master of that island and he could marry Miranda, because Stefano has got a soft corner for Miranda, so he could marry Miranda. So this play was a real play. It is not like Merchant of Venice. It's a very real play, and it was the last play of this William Shakespeare. So in this play you can see that everybody was making a conspiracy, but at last there was a happy ending. Prospero got back his dukedom, Ferdinand and Miranda, they got married, and Ariel was free from his services. Thank you so much. I hope you like my summary. You liked it, and I hope it must be helpful to you. So if you like it, my video, if you like my video, then please press the like button and subscribe my channels. I'm not getting so much of subscriptions, so please subscribe my channel and see the further more videos, and please write something in the comment box. Thank you.